back to Addie's channel. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Oh no, we got trapped in a mystery box full of buttons. I'll press the first one. I'm going to press this orange one.
Paperclip.
Uh-oh, paper clips. What's gonna happen to us? Paper clips! Oh. Whoa, they're rainbow colors. Press the next button. And I'm gonna press this green one.
Shopkins.
Shopkins! Uh-oh. Shopkins. Aren't those gonna be hard? Uh-oh. Are they gonna fall? Shopkins! I'm pressing the next one. I'm gonna press this orange one right there.
Glue sticks.
Uh-oh. Glue sticks? Uh-oh. Be full of glue? Ah! Oh, good. They're in bottles. I'm gonna press one. I'm going to do this purple one over in this corner right here.
Pencils.
Pencils? This is like school supplies. Yeah, that really is like school supplies. Well, uh-oh. Ah! They're Easter pencils. I'm going to try to push the button that escapes. Orange one next to me that I'm going to push, and hopefully that one's it. Ready?
Googly eyes.
Huh? Did I get that right? Googly eyes? Wonder if they're colored. Well, here it goes. Ah! Googly eyes. I'm gonna push before we get to actually push the one that escapes. Behind me, I'm gonna push this purple one up here. Ready? Set, go.
Cotton balls.
Huh? Aw, cotton balls. Those aren't so bad. At least they're soft. Shopkins were hard. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Cotton balls. Okay. Well, behind me there's this orange button that I'm going to press.
Rubber
Huh?
bands.
Rubber bands? Well, here we go. Ah! Rubber bands! Okay, I'm going to press another button. Well, there was a purple, yeah, there was a purple one over here on this side here. I'm going to press, so. Ah!
Slime.
Did I get that right? It was slime? Ew! Oh! What is that? Green slime! Press the button now. But I noticed that there was a gold button up there. You see it? I think that one might allow us to escape. Press it.
Escape.
It said escape! Yay! We're gonna escape now! Look! There's a rope! Now that we can go up it! Yay! Thanks for watching. See you next time.